In today's video, I'll show you how to update your Realtek HD audio driver on Windows 11. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the BuyMeACoffee service. The link to my BuyMeACoffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. First, let's check which version of the Realtek HD audio driver you're currently using. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Then right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio and select Properties. Go to the driver to see your current driver version and date. You can update the driver through Device Manager. Right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will find, download, and install the latest driver updates to your computer. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Also, you can check out another video about how to update the Realtek HD audio driver on Windows 10. See you soon.